Gumburza, alternatively stylized as Gumburza or Gumburza, Gum for Gomez, Bur for Burgos, and Za for Zamora, refers the three Filipino Catholics, Price, Mariano Gomez Jose, Burgos, and Jacinto Zamora, who were executed by Garrote on February 17, 1872 in Bagumbayan, Philippines. Mariano Gomez, Jose Burgos, and Jacinto Zamora by Spanish colonial authorities on the charge of subversion arising from the 1872 Cavite Montani. The name is the portmanteau of Price, surname Gumburza, incurred the hatred of Spanish authorities for fighting for equal rights among Price and leading the campaign against the Spanish Friars. They fought on the issue of secularization in the Philippines that led to the conflict of religious and church secular. Their execution had a profound effects on many late 19th century Filipinos. Jose Rizal, later to become to the country national hero, who dedicated his novel El Filibusterismo to their memory. 31 Montani by workers the Cavite Naval Yard was the pretext needed by the authorities to redress perceived humiliation from the principal objective, Jose Burgos, who threatened the established order. Burgos was a doctor of philosophy and arts, needed whose prominence extended even to Spain, such that when the new governor and Captain General Carlos Maria de la Torre arrived from Spain to assume his duties, he invited Burgos to sit beside him in his carriage during the inaugural procession, a place traditionally reserved for the Archbishop and who was a peninsular Spaniard. The arrival of the Liberal de la Torre was opposed by ruling minority of friars, regular Price, who belonged to the unorder, Domitians, Augustinians, Franciscans, etc., and their allies in civil government. It was supported by secular Price, most of whom were mestizos, aside to parishes and purple communities who believed that the reform and the equality that they wanted to peninsular Spaniard when finally coming. Not all religious order were against natification, like the Jesuits, and recollects the Jesus being suppressed in several European empire for their support of anti-colonial Native Americans in the Paraguay mission, and recollect as having given their parishes to Native Filipino when the Jesus were expelled, the recollect transferring to former Jesus territory in the Philippines. In less than 2 years, however, De la Torre was replaced by Rafael de Ecuador.